Right now I'm just going to talk a little bit about how to write a csvy file. Alright, so just to quickly recap, here this is an example um, what csvy looks like. So you've got the normal CSV down here with some categorical variables, looks like some numbers separated by commas. And then you have this top part here, which is the YAML, or yet another markdown language that describes what the contents of that CSV is. So at the top here, we've got 3 dashes, and at the bottom, 3 more dashes, and that indicates just the top and bottom of the YAML. And then the YAML itself is just a list, indented with 2 tabs here to show the list of fields, and then below each field, the name, the title, the type of the column header, and the description, which can be like some words just describing what that cell is like. And a lot of you will recognize this already from some of the data you already have in your spreadsheets. So this is really just re-encoding the stuff that you already wrote down about your data when you first did your Excel spreadsheet organization. So this concept of organizing the information at the top of csvy, the actual names of these categories are based on what's called the JSON table schema. So we can click on that here and see what that looks like over here at this website called Frictionless Data, which is where they're trying to write down a specification, a standard vocabulary for these column headers. So this is the so-called JSON table schema. Let's take a look at that. Here it is, right here. So that's linked to off of this Frictionless Data website. And this is where you see like the laying out of this vocabulary of what do we mean when we say the different descriptors, the different names for the fields here. So we're going to start off with something called fields, right? Just like we had before, and then we can have name, title, description, type, and so on. So we're just going to focus, for the purpose of this exercise, on the first 4. The name of the column, which is the column header name. The title, a more elaborate human-readable name for the thing, name for that column. A description, so this is more at length describing what the column is, and its type, literally the kind of data which is included in it. All right, let's see how we can write this. Let's see how we can write one of these csvy files using the Gapminder data as a simple example. So I'm going to head over into RStudio. I think you make this it's always on top. No, anyway. All right, I'm going to head over into RStudio. I'm going to make that. Maybe this will be a good material for a second video.